This video describes the budget review, approval, and denial features of Martus. We'll start with a brief PowerPoint presentation, then walk through the approval and denial processes on Martus screens. Budget approvals are part of the Martus Advanced and Advanced Plus packages. You can choose whether to use approvals on some worksheets, all worksheets, or no worksheets at all. The first step in using this feature is to assign owners and approvers to your budget worksheets. Admin users do this on the Planner Worksheets screen. Assigning an owner is a way of assigning responsibility for completing the worksheet. Multiple approvers can be assigned. The approval process is not hierarchical. Approval status can be reviewed on the Worksheet Status Report. This is a useful tool for the budget manager to review the overall budget. It is also a useful tool for any budget preparer or approver to review and even access the worksheets for which they're responsible. The process of approval and denial occurs from within each worksheet. There's a section at the bottom that shows the current status and has a button that can be used to view approval detail, as well as to approve, deny, and comment on the worksheet. Admin users can also assign and remove approvers and clear approval status from within the worksheet. Worksheets can be open so that they can be edited, or locked so that they cannot be edited. Worksheets also have an approval status. Whenever a worksheet is submitted, approved, or denied, the owners and approvers are notified by email. Here's a few samples for reference. At the bottom of the worksheet, there's a label that shows you the approval status and a button that allows you to view the approval detail. When a user is finished editing the worksheet, they will click Submit. The worksheet is locked. The approval status is now submitted. We are awaiting review and approval from two approvers, Ted Drews and John Jones. When the reviewer receives an approval email, they can click the link within the email to open that worksheet immediately in Martus, or they can use Martus directly, navigate to Planner and Worksheets, and select the worksheet off the list. When the approver opens the worksheet, they'll see that the approval status shows Submitted, and the button at the bottom allows them to view the approval detail, plus allows them to approve or deny. The approver can enter comments and click Approve. Now the approval status shows that this has been partially approved by 1 out of 2 approvers. When the second reviewer accesses the worksheet, he can see that the approval status is partially approved. Click to view the detail and approve or deny. Enter comments. This particular approver is either an admin user or is a non-admin user who's been granted the privilege, so they have the option to unlock the worksheet at the same time that they deny. And you'll notice when you return to the worksheet is now unlocked and can be edited. It's also flagged as denied. The comments show the reason for the denial. The Worksheet Status Report is used to review the status of the budget as a whole. To access it, select Planner and Summary, then use the Select Report drop-down to choose Worksheet Status. This is a useful tool for the budget manager to review the budget as a whole. It is also useful for individual budget approvers and preparers to access the list of budgets for which they are responsible. Let's focus on the budget we've been using as an illustration. We can see the owner. We can see that approver Ted Drews has approved it. John Jones has denied it. The status of the worksheet at this point is denied. The budget preparer can open the worksheet, make changes to it, and then submit it. Again, the approvers once again receive emails letting them know that the worksheet is available for approval. When a worksheet is resubmitted, the approval status is cleared, and now we see that it's awaiting approval from both approvers. The original comments are retained. We illustrate here how the second approver can see his original comment, confirm that his concerns have been addressed, update the comment, and finally approve the worksheet. This budget worksheet is now fully approved. This concludes the video tutorial. More information is available in the Martus knowledge base. And if you still have questions, let us know at support@martussolutions.com.